when talking about paint, whoever paints has to do the drywall finish. That would be the mudding, the sanding, the mudding again, right? So we're talking about covering up imperfections of the drywall, right? Like this, I don't know, you had nail pops, or you just made a dent because you were moving furniture, and boom, next thing you know is there's a dent in the wall, right? So all those needs to be fixed. So that's your kind of basic preparation, and then from that point, what kind of paint you're gonna use? Do you wanna pay more in labor preparation, or do you wanna pay less in labor preparation but in a better quality paint? Very popular, the milk paints, right? So we use the milk paint for rooms that we are going to spruce up. Example, powder room. We may do wallpaper totally back into a wall or two, and then we don't want just the normal paint level for the remaining of the walls, right? So we are going to get the milk paint, which is so smooth and it almost comes like a buttercream and applies to it, right? So that gets you another level of sophistication. And also the application is required more because they're dense, so it doesn't go far. If you will buy 1 gallon of a normal paint from your local store, you will have to consider 2 gallons here. Remember, it's just the application. It is more expensive paint, but not enough to say no to it, right? So, level of paint, level of labor versus material, and how quick do you want this to be done? If you tell a painter that he needs to paint your house for 1 week, you will find those that will say sure, and you're gonna get what you paid for, okay? Let them do their magic. Right now, I can tell you that a cost for, let's say, 2,500 square feet home with a high ceiling, so you have the main floor and the second floor, can range, yes, as crazy as $8,000 to $16,000, depending of the paint quality, of how many coats you want, and who is doing it. There is no right or wrong. It is who makes you comfortable, what have they promised, or how they're gonna protect your floor, how they're going to protect your furniture. More they protect, more they have to cover up. Of course, they're gonna charge more. Paint itself is one thing, but you also need to buy the paper to protect the wood floor, or the plastic to protect the furniture. Think about all those items. Remember, not always the cheaper bit is something you want to do. There is a reason why you pay cheap. And let's be honest, there is a say that we do need to listen. You get what you pay for. It is true.